Drive the 2016
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.